Talo falava, o le upo lene aso o va. More specifically, ileva. Va means between, and ileva starts our target phrase. If you want to say something is in between two things, or you're making a comparison between one thing and another, we say ileva. And then we start our noun phrase with the o. O fe lauta vale. O lauta vale ileva, o le fale oloa, mo le fale tupe. Since whatever it is that you're referring to is in between two nouns, we present a noun phrase with both nouns. Ileva, or in between, o le fale oloa, then ma means and, then le fale tupe. O lauta vale ileva, o le fale oloa, mo le fale tupe. Practice saying something is in between this and that in Samoan.